Namaste and hello. Welcome to TrendyTechnoTalks. In this video, we'll be talking about data analytics and data visualization. In intelligent automation, data analytics and visualization proves very helpful at various steps like when we are talking about bot monitoring. Starting with data analytics, which help us to analyze the past and predict the future trends and behaviors so that we can make the decisions and strategies based on what data is telling us instead of on some perceptions or guessworks. So how data analytics work is, it works in a stepwise process. First of all, we identify the purpose. Then the data regarding the purpose is collected. This data is cleaned, which means if any unrelevant data or the data which is not associated with the purpose comes in when we are collecting the data, that is removed. So the data cleaning is done. Now the analysis is done on the data which is remaining. Based on that, some interpretations are made which we call the result, which actually are the which provide us the solution so that we can handle the situation or the circumstances if they occur in future. So data analytics can be of 4 types. It is descriptive, diagnostic, predictive and prescriptive. When we are talking about the descriptive analytics, it tells us what happened in the past. Diagnostic help us to get why it happened. Predictive help us to know when it can happen in future. Based on this data, we can get the best action or we can suggest the best actions if the same circumstances occur in future. So the data analytics help us to produce insight, observe the trends, compare the metrics and produce the solution to handle such circumstances. Data analytics has proven its worth by helping the businesses to examine the data sets, whether they are structured or unstructured, to extract useful information which help the stakeholders to take more informed and more effective decisions. There are various tools of data analytics and visualization in the market, some of which are Tableau, Power BI, Google Chart, Zoho Analytics, ClickView, Dunas BI, and lot more are available in the market. Coming up to data visualization, the analysis we have done is to be represented in some form of report or in some form of result. So it is always helpful to present a report in the graphical representation. So data visualization is the graphical representation of information and data. What does visualization mean? It means the visual elements like the charts, graphs and maps, which are a very accessible way to see and understand the trends, outliers, patterns in data. Let's take an example to understand the concept of data analytics and visualization in more depth. So let's take an example of a company which is using the data visualization to analyze the sales data across different regions. It's seeing which products are doing better in which regions so that it can allocate the resources more effectively and optimize their sales strategies. When we look at this example, now a stakeholder wants such data. So we can present in form of text which will be read by him, analyzed and then a result will be produced, or in a tabular format maybe. But again, the tabular format need to be seen and analyzed and the data needs to be taken out. Rather, if we produce a graphical format of this, which we can say is a visual form, it's very easy to see that how the products are doing in which areas and where the action needs to be taken. So this is how data visualization is providing a more accessible way to strategize the business operations. Thank you.